Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. It was a crazy day on the cryptocurrency market, with prices rising by 5.5% across the board. XRP is up about 3% at the time of recording, trading at slightly under 65 cents. Nice, buoyant chart today, with an XLM spectacular lumens increase of more over 3% to 12 cents. Nonetheless, it was a fascinating day overall. In addition to a significant market rise, XRP was relisted on the cryptocurrency exchanges CX.io and blockchain.com. With the merger of XRPL Labs and the Gate Hub, 14 additional assets will have access to new terminals. What a stunning sight this was. ISO 20022 OK, says the Gate Hub. Quick XRPL, let's do it. Cooperatively developing the latest software, GateHub XRPL ABS is a partnership between two of the XRPL's most prominent enterprises, and its goal is to increase the XRPL's asset base. Chad Stein Robert explains how the fast SEPA networks and the GateHub function together. Putting it out there on our new mobile app is now here. It is straight fire, with a sleek design, user-pleasant interface. You will be able to manage your assets like a pro. Now, I recorded a video earlier. I'm not going to get too much in depth with this. In addition, I will discuss CBDCs briefly. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, tells us, very late in the piece, that CBDCs are inevitable. CBDCs will also take place. They'll use Stellar and Ripple, both of which are certain. Ripple has been collaborating with the Bank of International Settlements, as they have included Ripple in its cross-border payment using Bridge Currencies project, named CBDC. If you're wondering who will be using XRP, you're in good company. Now, I only want to briefly discuss CryptonMe. They've got a little over $18,000 on here, and they're sponsoring this film I'm making tonight. In terms of annual percentage rate, APR, they have really ridiculous rates. To sum up, this isn't just for business owners, it's also open to retail investors and the general public. I want to show you, and I've already shown you, the flex spending where we have these insane APR APIs, which, of course, you should go into and do your homework on, as we see quant here. Nearly 35. Their annual percentage rate of return, APR, is a little over 34%, which is insane, but this is their flagship product launch poll, and I wanted to show it to you tonight because it represents their offering to invest your money in promising new ventures on your behalf. Return on investment, ROI, averages over 5, or about 6,000%, which is a decent rate. They've been successful for a reason. Their current 57x multiplier. They've been operating for 8 years, and I've told you before that they're federally insured and offer a return on investment of over 20 times what you put in for US currency right now. There are a plethora of companies from which you can simply pick and choose. And they've had a lot of success in the past. In this light, the GameFi DeFi blockchain service is undeniably worthy of consideration. That sort of thing is bombarding several industrial areas. So incredibly cool. Just check it out. Give me your feedback. On November 8th, there will be a meeting to discuss the digital dollar project, identify potential roadblocks, and establish international guidelines. Let's pretend we're discussing global norms in Washington, D.C., the nation's capital. Among those present are Paul Wong, Director of Product CBDCs and Institutional Assets, Leslie Chafkin, Head of Policy, and Stellar's Chief Executive Officer and President, Danielle Dixon. Could I put it any more plainly for you? Could it get more evident who the top dogs in this industry are that are working with the largest central banks all over the world and the biggest governments in the world? Whether or not you approve of them, the fact that innovative firms like Ripple and Stellar are working with these EDC is what makes them so intriguing. They have essentially arrived. And I assume this came out during the last few days. They are coming right out and informing us that they will be collaborating with the CBDCs and investigating the benefits and drawbacks of CBD. All I'm trying to convey is, look at it. What I'm considering at the moment is not financial advice, but rather the fact that, if you're already invested in XRP, you're already on the winning team. I'm no expert on finance, but numbers don't lie. For the time being, that is all I can provide. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share buttons, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.